back to our channel. I came back after a long time and I'm here to do an unboxing again. Yay! So first, I am going to open two twin sisters. So which one should we open first? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch the tiger by the tail. Let the tiger let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Let's open the pink one first. Let's get this aside and open this. Mother, can you hand over the scissors? Oh, thank you. Snip, snap. It came out easy. And voila! It came out. This is so pretty. So first, there are ribbons tied all around. It's taking a lot of time. Whoa! It all just popped out. Wow! The doll is so pretty with her hair. Her hair is so silky. And she's totally flexible. She can say hi to the viewers. Hello. Nice to meet you. She can keep any angle you want. Okay. Next, we're going to open the tiny doll. We've got to flip again and make some curves. Oh, this only took 3 girls. Come on now, baby. Wow, this baby is so cute. And her frog. This is so cool. I never got this orange one. Her hair is so cool. I love it. Neon orange, I guess. Whoa, did your heart just break? Oh, there we go. And I love her frock a lot. Next, we're going to open the bag. Oh, it came fast. This is the basket. This is so cute. And the doll can hold it. Ta-da! Whoa, I'm totally clumsy today. Okay, so we're going to be here and we're going to open the neck. Oh, look how giant it is. Slowly, slowly, whoa. Oh, this is bad. Now it's pretty. Let's try it on our twin sister. Oh, I guess we have to break our head off. Whoa. And keep the necklace on her and put back on. Wow, look at her. This is so pretty. Twin sister 1 opened. And I guess this is the last surprise. Okay. Don't come on, Dad. Wow, this did not came bad. We don't have to do any peeling. Maybe she can come and see herself in here. Am I pretty? Yes, I'm pretty like a princess. Okay, we're done with the first doll. Let's open the second one. You can move a little, scooch in. And second doll, here we come. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, let's start unboxing. Let's keep this box on. Wow, the doll is ready to get opened and out of her trap. Flip. This one didn't pop out. There we go. And here's the other twin sister. I like her blue dress because my favorite color is blue. And her dress is so crunchy. Like her other sister. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. as we did, we're going to open next is her sister, little sister. And her frock is stretchy too, but her hair is much more silkier. Look, smooth, nice smooth. Little sister, blue, and we're going to open the basket as we did like that, and pop it out. This is pretty hard, totally. Whoa, this is, look, this is the same, and they both are identical. Twins need to have same things like the twins. You go here, you go here, and next we open the jewelry. Oh, we're gonna keep it again on her neck too. The twins have the same, everything identical. If they were alive, they would be confused, like, which one is my bag? Which one is my jewelry? Hair suits it. But I wish there was silver instead of gold on this, so it could match the dress. But I still loved it. Let's do the last one. The green one. Okay. The green one. The mirror. They are pretty identical, but different color. That's it. Here comes the two dolls with their accessories and little sisters. I didn't saw this, but these legs are flexible. They can sit. Oh, I am so amazed with these. Wow. Oh my goodness. They can sit. They can sit on mine. I need to keep it straight. Her hair is messy. Mom, your hair is rerouting for this, please. I don't like it. Look. Ew. That quality of hair. Maybe the mirrors fit in the basket. Wow. She can carry her mirror wherever she wants. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.